What if the power went out right now? Could you feed your family a real lunch? Okay, you probably could. Lunch is easy. But what if it stayed out for a month? What's really in your pantry? I've spent years building meals that work in real life and in emergencies. I don't do bland survival food. I build pantry systems that taste like you ordered takeout. It's not your crazy uncle's prepper food, but it is emergency ready. And this barbecue chicken sandwich with pickle spears are a delicious, easy lunch to throw together when you're sick of PB&J or during the apocalypse. Protein-filled, saucy, and sweet with a hint of sour from the pickle. But here's the twist. It's 100% straight from the pantry. No fridge, no stress, no sad can of beans. I mean, everyone does say stock up on beans and rice, but I say stop lowering the bar. We have the world at our fingertips and we are settling for beans and rice? I don't think so. I'm flipping the prepping food community upside down. No more buckets of mystery mush. No pouch meals you hide in the back of your closet. Every delicious meal I make feeds you today and protects you tomorrow. It's daily life dinner and emergency food all in one. A true 2-for-1. These barbecue chicken sandwiches and pickles is a solid lunch that everyone loves. But here's the wild part. You could buy all these ingredients today, store them properly for a year, and it would taste just as good as the day you bought it. That's why I love pantry meals. They save your weeknight and they save your future. Power outage, storm, empty shelves, you're calm, you're fed. You're not in a panic line at the store. I started Loaded Potato to stop stressing about dinner tonight. Easy meals for every night. But now it's about never stressing about dinner ever again. These recipes got your back. Keep watching. I'm about to show you how to make this delicious apocalypse-proof barbecue sandwich and pickles step by step. By the way, I'm MJ, founder of loadedpotato.org and your refrigerator illuminator, the I hate to cook master. And I've hacked the Martha Stewart rigged system that has us locked in our kitchen for hours when there is a better way. Everything you need is in your pantry. No more hours of slicing and dicing. I show you how to make quick, delicious meals for about $1 or $2. No hours of prep. So subscribe to my channel and I'll make sure that you never have to worry about dinner again, tomorrow or 30 years from now. I'm hungry, so let's go. Here's everything that you're gonna need. A loaf of homemade sourdough. It's so easy, literally 10 minutes of work. Check out my other videos on my easy sourdough. You can make it the day before. Canned chicken, barbecue sauce, mayonnaise, dill relish, dehydrated onions, and dill pickles. Now with your beautiful loaf of sourdough that you made earlier, cut the bread into slices. Open your chicken and drain the water and add it to a medium-sized bowl with your barbecue sauce and dehydrated onions. Spread a generous amount of mayo on both sides of your bread and the relish on one side. Top the relish with your delicious barbecue chicken mix, slice in half, and serve with delicious pickle spears to round out the meal. The result, deli-worthy, sweet, savory, delicious barbecue chicken sandwich and pickles that you can make any busy afternoon or during the apocalypse because it's all straight from the pantry. This recipe is so delicious and so easy. You have to try it for an easy lunch, recipe below. So if meals have been feeling like a never-ending burden, ditch the Martha Stewart ideals and follow me for quick, shelf-stable meals and visit loadedpotato.org for recipes, meal plans, grocery lists, and all my favorite fridge-free recipes. Now, while you're there, use our auto grocery calculator to stock your pantry like a boss for tomorrow and 30 years from now. Just pick your meals and we'll do all the calculating for you. Figure out exactly what you need for how many you need to feed. You can even add it to your Walmart or Amazon cart, all free. Never worry about another meal again. loadedpotato.org. Till next time.